टॉपिक शुरू करने जा रहे हैं, एप्लीकेशन ऑफ डेरिवेटिव। एक्सरसाइज 6.1 हम डिस्कस करेंगे आज, और इसमें हम सबसे पहले डिस्कस करेंगे रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ डिस्प्लेसमेंट। तो इफ एस रिप्रेजेंट द डिस्प्लेसमेंट ऑफ ए मूविंग बॉडी, then rate of change of displacement is called velocity. And if displacement is measured in meter and time is measured in second, then unit of velocity will be equal to meter per second. This will be the unit of the velocity. And in the similar manner, acceleration, the rate of change of velocity is called acceleration, and it is also equal to second order derivative of displacement. And if displacement is measured in meter and time is measured in second, then its unit is meter per second square. This will be the unit of displacement. तो बच्चों, हम ये चीजें डिस्कस करेंगे। तो मैथमेटिक्स में जो s जो है वो हम s वेक्टर भी लिख सकते हैं और s भी लिख सकते हैं, v वेक्टर भी लिख सकते हैं और v भी लिख सकते हैं, बिकॉज डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज ए वेक्टर क्वांटिटी, देयरफॉर वेलोसिटी इज आल्सो ए वेक्टर क्वांटिटी एंड एक्सेलरेशन इज आल्सो ए वेक्टर क्वांटिटी। तो दीज आर द सम थिंग्स एंड पॉइंट्स which are useful in the applications of exercise 6.1 application of derivative. तो बच्चों, ये एप्लीकेशन ऑफ डेरिवेटिव करने से पहले कुछ और पॉइंट हम क्लियर करते हैं कि एरिया ऑफ द सर्कल इज ऑफ ए सर्कल whose radius is r unit is equal to pi r square. तो ये सर्कल है, इसकी रेडियस यदि r है तो इसका एरिया कैपिटल A द्वारा रिप्रेजेंट होता है, एंड इट्स फार्मूला इज कैपिटल A इज इक्वल टू पाई आर स्क्वायर। द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द स्फीयर, वॉल्यूम ऑफ ए स्फीयर whose radius is r unit is equal to 4/3 into pi r cube, and its unit is meter cube if radius is in meter, and if radius is in centimeter then its unit is centimeter cube और cubic centimeter। तो बच्चों, ये कुछ फार्मूले थे जो कि इस एक्सरसाइज में यूजफुल है। तो आओ बच्चों, अब हम इन पॉइंट्स को डिस्कस करने के उपरांत एप्लीकेशंस करते हैं एप्लीकेशन ऑफ डेरिवेटिव्स की, एक्सरसाइज 6.1 एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। बच्चों, क्वेश्चन है क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 पार्ट 1, फाइंड द रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ एरिया ऑफ द सर्कल विद रिस्पेक्ट टू इट्स रेडियस r when the radius of the circle is 3 centimeter। तो बच्चों, ये क्वेश्चन करने के लिए सबसे पहले हमने सर्कल की एरिया का फार्मूला लिखना है। तो लेट r सेंटीमीटर बी द रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल at any time t। Therefore, area of the circle, capital A is equal to the area of the circle का फार्मूला है पाई आर स्क्वायर, और एरिया को रिप्रेजेंट किया हमने A से, because we have to find the rate of change of area with respect to r. Therefore, we have to differentiate this equation number 1 with respect to r, and after that putting the value of r is equal to 3 centimeter, we will get the answer. So differentiating both sides of equation 1 with respect to radius r, we get dA upon dr is equal to d upon dr of pi r square. Because pi constant, taking it outside, we get d upon dr of r square. Applying the formula of r raised to power n or x raised to power n, we get dA upon dr is equal to pi into 2 into r raised to power 2 minus 1, that is 2r into pi. This is the value of dA upon dr. Now we have to find the rate of change of area with respect to r when r is equal to 3 cm. So therefore, putting r is equal to 3 here, we get the answer. We get the required answer of this question. Therefore, dA upon dr when r is equal to 3 centimeter is equal to 2 into 3 into pi, that is equal to 6 pi, and unit of area is centimeter square and unit of r is centimeter. Therefore, unit of dA upon dr becomes centimeter. That is the answer of this question. तो बच्चों, ये है एप्लीकेशन ऑफ डेरिवेटिव की पहली एक्सरसाइज का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन और इसका पार्ट 1. So this is very easy and important for examination as well as competition point. Now question number 1, part 2. Of the application of derivative, exercise 6.1. The question is, find the rate of change of the area of the circle with respect to radius r when its radius is 4 cm. Same type of questions. Let r centimeter be the radius of the circle at any time t. Therefore, area of the circle, capital A, is equal to pi r square, because we have to find the rate of change of area with respect to r. Differentiating both sides of equation 1 with respect to r, we get dA upon dr is equal to d upon dr of pi into r square. Taking pi outside the sign of derivative, because it is constant, we get pi into d upon dr of r square. Now applying the formula of r raised to power n, we get pi into 2 into r raised to power 2 minus 1, that is 2 pi r raised to power 1. So this is the value of dA upon dr. Now the rate of change of area of the circle with respect to r when r is equal to 4 centimeter is equal to, putting the value of r is equal to 4, we get 8 pi into centimeter. This is the unit of dA upon dr, because r is in a centimeter. So hence the rate of change of the area with respect to r of the circle is 8 pi then its radius is 4 centimeter.